So excited, guys. Guess what came in? And guess who's going to help me open this? Woo, woo, woo. Okay, go. Can I help you? Ooh, you're going to break the lipstick. Like Chucky. Chun, chun, chun. Makeup!
Oh, that's what SeneGence is.
Dun, dun, dun. Makeup!
Oh, you're doing the thing where you show
No,
them.
I need this. So this can clean my skin.
Also, it helps with like the things like right here on my face.
Yeah, I like this one.
Oh,
At least
but
I hope I ordered the right one. Yes, I ordered the right one. I love this stuff. Janelle gave me a sample of it. No, she didn't give me the size. But it's very grainy, but it feels so good on your face. And after you let it sit on your face for, I think it said 5-10 minutes. There's the directions on there. I want to say 5-10 minutes. And oh my gosh, your face feels so smooth afterwards. I love it. All right, so this is their pink.